Hey there, world travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Dave.
And we are Turn It Up World. Welcome back to
Las Vegas!
So that's right, if you hadn't noticed from the title, we are so excited to bring you into our stay here at the reopening weekend of the Mirage here in Las Vegas. I'm so excited!
Yes, exactly. And the Mirage is actually offering some great rates here for the reopening, so we thought, hey, let's go check it out. And we're lucky to get an upgrade, right? They gave us a nice upgrade. We'll show you the room. It's really an amazing room. But make sure actually sign up for the M Life card if you're making reservations, because that's really where you get those deals.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, we're not sponsored by this in any way. We just thought it was a really great opportunity to support the reopening. Getting this free upgrade, obviously from the title, you guys know it's a one-bedroom penthouse panoramic view. Yes, I know. So I am so excited to take you guys into that. Dave, we're in our bathing suits. You probably can't tell because we got to get down to the pool. So let's get this room tour started. You ready to rock this?
I'm excited for the pool too. It's a huge pool here at the Mirage, so let's get going.
I'm ready to rock.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome. Wowie. There is so much to show you guys. We want to start off by saying thank you for joining us for this awesome room tour. We are going to be kicking things off here in this one bedroom, hear me out, one bedroom, panoramic view, penthouse suite here at the Mirage. And there's so much to show you. Let's start off with this kitchen. Great kitchen, got the bar sink as well, complimentary, wine glasses as well you see in here. You do have the refrigerator that has the bar options if you want to pay an arm and a leg for that in there, but there's a lot of snacks.
And the mini bar?
In there.
You take advantage of the mini bar?
Exactly. Or you just have a really nice size
That's a nice
refrigerator.
Size fridge.
You got a bottle of water in there, and there's a freezer.
Look at that freezer.
So you can put your ice cream. That is a big size freezer.
Freezer,
so
yes.
Really loving that for sure. Of course, come around this way, guys.
There we go. Check out this bar. Wow.
Let me share with you a little bit about cocktail service. Cocktail service starts about 6 o'clock, are you guys? Just all I have to do is bring your own bottles, because I don't know what you like to do. Anyway, this is really great. It's got a 2-seater here, bar island with granite countertops. Check-in here is 3 o'clock, but sometimes you can check in early. Sometimes that comes with the fee, depending on the situation. But look at this. This is only partial, and we'll get to the view maybe last. But check out this partial little view here.
Wow.
Right here, you got the Wynn Encore in the back, Treasure Island down below, over there. Oh, this is amazing. A full-on desk.
Yeah. Get some work done?
As you can see.
Look at that.
You kind of get some work done, all that great stuff. Nice size TV with a Philips sound bar. Love the sound bar. Really great for sure. And tons of drawer space.
I know, look, you could have moved in here for months and months.
You ain't kidding.
I mean,
there's like tons
all
of
that
drawer
dresser space.
which is really nice to see. Tons of that all over the place here. So you're not without drawers if you plan on staying for a while, that is for sure. I love the living room area. As you can see, another view of the mountains, by the way.
Beautiful mountain view here.
I mean, hello.
That's amazing.
It's like you're not going, hello. Isn't it gorgeous? Of course, you have your lovely seating area here. You can watch your TV with your hubby-bubby like me.
Lounging around.
Just lounging around and just enjoying it. Yes, and so as you can see, I'm already ready for the pool, which is coming up next. Can't wait to share that with you guys. But here you have the dining room area. I mean, this is massive here.
Look at that.
4 chairs for you and guests. We may have some guests later on, perhaps for a cocktail. But great, again, we're in that corner unit, so we get those panoramic views.
Another shot here of the mountains.
Gorgeous, this gorgeous penthouse. I think it's going to be fabulous waking up to that in the morning. And even the nighttime, I mean, my gosh.
Oh, this is great.
Welcome to the bedroom. Lovely views the blackout curtains from there. And everything, by the way, in terms of the curtains, everything is pretty much
all automatic, of course. Yeah.
They don't play around. You can, even if you want to get it any darker, show's over. But yeah, I love that. It's just pretty efficient, like in terms of that. Nice, looks like a king size, standard king size bed here, which is great. Almost maybe more California. It feels more California because it's a longer version.
Yes.
The standard king would be wider. This here initially I thought was a fireplace. It looks like
it looks kind of like it could be a right, you know, but no.
But it's a television, so you want to watch TV in bed, you can. I gotta show you guys this. So when you arrive, we got a little goodie pack here. I love the goodie pack. All right, let's see what we got in the goodie pack. Okay, they give you a hand sanitizer. Oh, they give you, of course, they give you a couple masks. This is so cool. They give you a little sort of,
like
it looks
brass
like
knuckles?
it looks like a brass, but it's almost like in everything. It has like, you don't have to touch knobs. You don't have to touch the door. It's kind of, you know, you put your finger in there like a key ring, and boom. I think I could also use this to open up bottles. I mean, it looks like a bottle opener, a door opener. Push the buttons, but they give you.
It's like a modern Swiss Army knife.
It does. I'm telling you, not only do you get one, you get two. Okay, 1 and 2.
There you go.
And woo! That's what I'm talking about.
Got the nice logo on the mask. Mirage logo, very nice.
And woo!
Woo, there it goes.
That's what I'm talking about, everybody.
The mountains are really cool.
The mountains are absolutely
sunset's
gorgeous.
gonna be really
Absolutely
beautiful.
Gorgeous. It's just really incredible for sure. Let's take this on over to this, guys.
Here we go.
This is a bathroom and a half. All right, so let's just stop you right there for a second. Hello, hello, hello. That echo is impeccable. But look at this. You have a nice size shower. Great size shower.
Oh, yeah, that's huge.
Really nice. But of course, they have this deep kind of jacuzzi tub here, which I will be using after those nights on the Las Vegas Strip walking. Coming in here and letting those jets just work those toes. I'm looking forward to that. The dual vanity, which is always nice to have that for sure. A television, even in the bathroom.
Oh, never know. You gotta watch TV in the bathroom.
Exactly. If you want to enjoy a little television in the bathroom, you got a vanity. This is my area for girlies getting ready. You got your vanity, you know, with your drawer space, makeup, all that great stuff, whatever you like to do. Here is the closet. Welcome. And it's automatic, so the light, as soon as the door closes, it's kind of automatic and pops on. So it's really cool. A lot of space in here.
More storage.
More storage. Of course, they give you dual robes, which we'll be using those in the morning, so stay tuned for that. We're going to be posting some really fun stuff on Instagram, so just check it out for sure. Oh, more drawer space, a big
safe. Yeah, definitely
now,
a
that
big
is not
safe
your
in here.
typical small safe.
No.
It's a pretty big safe.
You have a good size safe.
Yes, they give you slippers.
Ah, there you go.
The old good slippers there. The robes. What was nice is when you first come into here, there's a little latch on the door that basically said it was sanitized and cleaned for us, so no one has been in here since they cleaned. Of course, a separate bathroom is always a best bathroom, especially if someone and your husband or whoever, when they're taking a shower or doing their thing over there, you can do your thing in here. But you don't have just one toilet.
Right.
You got a bidet.
You got the bidet.
So you don't have to waste all the toilet paper.
Oh yeah.
You can just rinse and roll. I'm gonna call it rinse and roll.
You gotta have the bidet.
You can rinse and roll.
Yeah.
So much space.
I mean, look at this.
You can see it from this angle.
Get our steps in, you know. We could kind of go live in the penthouse suite.
Who needs to go
We're going
anywhere else but here? All right, so that about does it for the room tour. We hope you guys enjoyed joining us here in their 1-bedroom panoramic view penthouse suite here at the Mirage. But that's not it. Let us take you down and show you the pool. You ready to go, Dave?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Welcome to the Mirage Pool.
The Mirage has 3 pool areas: the general guest pool, the Oasis, their adults-only pool, and Bear, their clothing optional pool. You can also reserve a lounge chair and umbrellas and cabanas for a fee. We left a link below with the price information. Now, Dave and I stayed on the general guest pool side and ordered a few cocktails, which ranged about $16. Now, that is a little pricey, but cheaper than some of the other bar pools on the Strip.
we had a lot of fun down at the pool. That was awesome. But of course, what comes with that is a hefty appetite, right?
Oh man, I'm hungry.
We are starving. So we're actually headed to one of the few places open here in the Mirage, and that is the Still. All right, so we're gonna make this quick, you guys, and it's gonna be a little grainy, unfortunately, because we're actually doing this one from the phone. But what do we got going on here, Dave?
Yeah, we have the triple play, which is pretty cool. Got some nice guacamole, got some nice queso, and some nice spicy salsa.
Let's do it.
Right.
A little spicy.
It's spicy, yeah, taste that, yeah.
But it doesn't have a super wowsy factor for me. It almost reminds me of a movie theater queso.
Yes,
Right?
that's probably
little
true.
movie theater queso, like
Yeah.
good though. Definitely with the little spice, it definitely helps kind of bring home some of those flavors.
Right, I like the
And
spice,
hard
I
to
agree.
talk.
I like the spice, but yeah, it has a little bit, whether it's movie theater, a little bit of that. I'm on a low budget.
Low budget.
Check it and see.
We got nice fish tacos here with the mahi-mahi, aioli sauce, red cabbage, the works, and I am ready to dive into this.
Yeah, this is definitely Tanya's jam, so I'm excited to see what Tanya thinks of the tacos here. I'm going to jump in too, but it's you are the expert when it comes to fish
I am.
tacos, that's for sure.
Let's do this together.
Yeah, well, okay, sounds good.
Grab one of those and then in.
I want some of
You're
the
gonna have to slide it off and get some of that nice special sauce
kinda
from there.
skewer it in there.
But I love how it kind of skewered in there.
Kind of skewer them in there.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
That is very good. You can definitely taste the aioli sauce in there. A little bit of spice. The red cabbage gives that nice crunch.
I love the spice of the sauce. This has a kick to it. So that's good. I like that. I'm gonna put some more on.
So good. Wow, what a great time we had here at the grand reopening at the Mirage here in Las Vegas. It was so much fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. The pool was great. Our room's amazing. The food is good. Oh, we're stuffed.
Yeah, we really are. It's time for us to really go burn some of this off in the night sky on the Las Vegas Strip. But before we let you go, if you have not done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, world travelers, and we look forward to seeing y'all in Las Vegas.